Stomp. This is what will give your dance more energy. Stomp, this is a leg movement. In Krump dance, this is a basis, foundation, an integral part of your footwork. In this lesson, I will not only tell you how to do stomps, I will also show you different variations. So, let's go to the first. Scoop stomp. It's very simple. Looks like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And stomp. And stomp. First secret that you need to know about stomps, that with the help of a stomp you can show the beat or make your own beat that will complement the track you are dancing to at the moment. For example, we have kick, clap, kick, clap, kick, clap, kick, clap, kick. Yes, this is exactly the element with which you can show your musicality. And second version, stomp, that will complement the beat. So we have boom, clap, boom, clap, boom, clap, boom, clap. And remember, stomp, it's not about making noise. It's about what will help you raise the energy of your dance. When you do a stomp, it's like saying, hey, for example. Hey, it's my time. Look at me. Get ready. Something powerful about to happen. When you do a stomp, your body reacts to it. Boom, it's charged by it. So feel it. Practice it. Move to the next one. Gallop. Rhythmically, it is similar to a horse running. Ta-da, ta-da. Imagine that suddenly energy shoots into you from the back and knocks you forward like this. Boom. When you have this concept in Gallop, you will make really fast traveling. Boom. You realize that you can imagine that energy can hit you not only from behind. And realizing this, your Gallop becomes even more diverse and unique. So now you can move not only forward. Boom. 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 With this movement, your dance will immediately become more interesting and contrasting. I also have my variation of this movement, I call it Advanced Gallop. Now I'll show it to you, let's go. The principle is that the movement begins with a double impulse from the bottom. First in one leg, boom, and second in another. Boom, boom. So the first impulse lifts the leg, then leads it to the side and then down. But when the leg from this position go down, the second impulse hits the supporting leg. And boom, we have this move, shot up like this, boom. But that's not all. When this leg go down and this leg hits up, in this moment I do a chest pop, boom, boom, wow, boom, and catch the balance, boom. It's crazy feeling. So lift up to the side, boom, and stomp. This is the end. One more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 1, 2, boom. Let's do it faster. 7, 8, boom. And of course, you need to know that you can do this movement without traveling. Boom, boom. Or with the traveling in different directions. Boom, boom, boom. Woo! I really like this movement, I hope you like it too. So, let's go to the next. Kick back stomp. It consists of several moves. So the first step, the foot touches the back of the thigh, like this. For you. And the body with the leg also goes backwards. Boom, 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 like this. Boom. And the last step, at all this time, the supporting leg moves inward on the heel. Boom, boom, boom. It's like your body is twisting. Boom, like this. Boom, boom, boom. Make this movement sharp and clear. You need to cut the air with this movement, like a scissors effect. It's like a glitch mode. Let's do it with me. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. These were a Krump basic stomps. Scoop stomp, gallop, and kickback stomp. But I have a few stomps in my arsenal. Let's go! Whip stomp. Here the leg moves below the knee. To begin with, I move my leg a little forward. Like this. Then I lift my foot, move it in a circle, and I put it to its starting position. Boom. Boom. I call this move, this. Leg swing. Leg swing and stomp. Leg swing, stomp. And all together this is whip stomp. Like and side view. 1, swing, stomp. Remember, do every stomp sharply and clearly. And of course, I use the stomp to catch the beat or create my own. You can perceive your stomp as a musical instrument. Just open your mind and show yourself and feeling to others. Let's move to the next one. I call it live stomp. It is almost the same as a scoop stomp, but it is done with a larger amplitude. And the body and hands are also used here. So I lift my leg in front of me as high as possible, I bring the foot to me and stomp. Boom. Ha! By the way, you see that my leg pose is wider than usual. I consider this movement to be a type of power move. This suggests that it is impossible to do it in half strength, because in this case the whole idea is lost. Let's do it a few more times and move on to the last stomp. As always, you can lift the leg in different directions. In front of you, back, to the side, and diagonals. Huge stomp! This is the biggest stomp I've ever seen! The first time I saw it on Krump DVD Cage 3, a battle Tight Eyes vs Hitman. So since I haven't seen any other stomps and nobody explained them, I started my research. This is the only one stomp that is done without bending the knee. The leg should not be straight, but during the stomp, this part of the leg is motionless. Boom! Boom! Boom. When you do like this, there is a high probability of injuring the knee. You just need to throw your leg out as high as possible and then stomp. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Like Tight Eyes, yeah? Boom, boom, ooh, yeah. So try to use it in a dance and write in the comments which stomp you like the most. Yeah, Spitfire, see you soon.
Rugged side, raw, stone, jungle raw. Yeah, trickle the brain, raw, head, bang, I remain raw. Rugged side, raw, stone, jungle raw. Yeah, trickle the brain, raw, head, bang, I remain.
Пацаны, спасибо.